back to my channel. My name is Tania. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Depop, Poshmark, and I also do pop-up sales. I love to vend at pop-up sales throughout Southern California, and today I'm sharing with you a brand new pop-up that I'm participating in. It's actually the first time we're hosting this type of pop-up. It's in collaboration with some LA Poshmark resellers. We kind of just have been in a constant chat over the past few months, and Erin over at Secondhand Palms, she organized this event in Playa del Rey, which is in Southern California. It's near Santa Monica. I'm going to put up the map here if you are interested in attending. The event will be on April 1st from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and we're calling it a thrifting pop-up. This is the first time we're getting together and organizing this type of event. We're planning to have both modern merchandise and of course vintage. So I'm bringing both. I'm bringing a rack full of vintage and I'm bringing a rack full of brand name clothing, designer clothing, and just stuff that I'm cleaning out of my personal closet. So this is a great opportunity for me to move some inventory. As you guys know, I've been on a very strict no sourcing policy. I've only sourced once this year, only because I had already agreed to a YouTube collaboration. I'm gonna link that video up above if you want to watch it. But as of that, I haven't done any sourcing all year because I'm planning on going through all of my backstock, all of my death piles, all of my backstock, all of my unlisted vintage. I'm kind of like in a refresh, not necessarily starting over, because I mean the process is the same, but I just am being very strict with no sourcing, moving out as much as inventory as I can, so that when I do start sourcing again, I kind of hit the ground running with better sourcing methods, you know, doing more research and actually bringing in inventory that I'm excited about, that I know is gonna move and I'm excited to list. Just wanted to do this video today to talk about the event. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's here already. We started, I think, messaging back in January about the possibility of hosting the event, and now it's here. It's only a week away. I want to shout out Erin for not only taking the initiative to organize it, but also coming up with these really cool graphics. She made like the Instagram flyer, she made this reel, like she is on it. So I'm gonna share the little poster that she made here. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram as well. I've already reposted hers a couple of times, but I'm just trying to share it to my followers and hopefully get some of my followers to go out there. I want to catch some deals this weekend, and if you're in the Southern California area, come on and stop by. I'm taking so much inventory, so many great deals. There's over 15 vendors that sell both on Poshmark and different other sites. There'll be all kinds of inventory from luxury, designer, name brand, new with tags, and vintage, of course. That's what I'll be doing this week. As far as reselling, my online sales have been super slow, but I've mainly been focusing a lot more on pop-ups this month. I just did the Bop and Shop a few weeks ago, and then this Saturday I'm actually doing 2 shows back to back. I'm doing this thrifting pop-up on Saturday, and then Sunday I'm doing the Vatos Hutiki Marketplace. I did this one back in January and it was so much fun. This one's more niche. It's mainly geared towards true vintage clothing and tiki Hawaiian style, things like that. But it's a really fun event. If you're in Long Beach, this one will be in Long Beach. It's at Rock Sands, which is a really cool bar. Come and hang out. This one's on a Sunday. If you want to have brunch, if you want to have a drink, a mimosa, they have cocktails, tiki drinks, micheladas. They have great food, lots of great vendors. This one's more if you're into vintage. If you're going to Viva Las Vegas, you could find some great tiki outfits here. Make sure and stop by. So that is my schedule for this weekend. I'm kind of stressed already because I didn't realize they were going to be back to back, but I'm excited. This is what I live for. I'm so excited to get out there, get as much inventory out of my house. And these are 2 great events where I can move both inventory. The thrifting pop-up will be mostly my like brand name Poshmark closet sales, Poshmark items, some designer, and some vintage, mostly later eras, 80s, 90s, Y2K, whereas the Vato Sutiki will be like some of my mid-century vintage, some Hawaiian pieces that I've been hoarding, and some vintage home goods. So 2 great vending opportunities this weekend. I will be sure to film and do a follow-up video again with my process, how it went, review, and what sold. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was short. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you back on Wednesday for another video. Bye.